Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if someone's stalking you on Instagram. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. We're going to walk through a couple different things. The first one is we're going to tap on the profile button at the bottom right. And let's get into your settings by tapping on those three lines at the top right. Now there are some tricks that you can take to essentially see if someone is stalking you and visiting your profile. The first thing we need to do is scroll down to account privacy here and make sure private account is turned off, aka you have a public account. After you've done that, let's scroll down until you find the option towards the bottom. It says account type and tools. Tap on that, and this will allow you to switch from a personal account to a professional account, which will give you added insights or analytics on who is checking out your profile. So let's hit switch to professional account. Of course, if you've already done this, then you don't need to do this. Now you can choose to whether to display it on your profile or not, and I'm going to hit switch. Now after that, you'll be able to choose whether you want a creator or a business account. Keep in mind, this is completely free. I'm just going to choose creator and then hit continue and go through this process. Now let's hit the X mark and you'll be able to see professional dashboard, indicating you have the professional account. Now let's check to see if people are going to your profile. To be able to do that, what we're going to do is go to your profile at the bottom right and then tap on your profile here. We're going to add to your story. And in this case, I'm going to say add this photo to my story and then hit next. And I'm going to share it to my story just like that. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to walk you through another trick to be able to find if they're seeing your profile. Next to highlights, let's tap on new here and let's add that story that we just posted. Here it is. There we go. Let's add that and then hit add. So if I swipe down, you'll be able to see the story that I just added is right here on my highlights. Next, I'm going to tap on my story and I'm going to tap on more and I'm going to delete this story or archive it. Most of the time you can just archive it to be able to keep it. So now it is no longer my story, so it won't show up if somebody's just in the normal home screen. They'll have to visit my profile. And after they visit my profile, they'll be able to see highlights right here. So if I tap on it and I see who has viewed that highlight, I'll be able to know exactly who is stalking my profile. I can also tap on edit highlight on here and I can add something like a cover or a name or something like that that will entice that person to be able to tap on it. And then I'll get an idea of exactly who is tapping on that story, aka highlight, indicating that they're viewing my profile. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.